No touching there.
Good. Well then,
Oh my God! I can't believe.
Come on, we go see what's in the fridge. You show me. Where's the fridge? Show me the fridge.